Hey, it's Alex from RDP Arena. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check the uptime of your RDP with just 3 simple clicks. First off, why should you care about uptime? Well, if you're using a shared RDP, knowing the uptime can give you a good idea of the server's stability. If the RDP server isn't set up correctly, or it's overloaded with too many users, it might restart often, and that's bad news for your work. So, here's how you can check your RDP's uptime. First, log into your RDP. As you can see, I'm already logged into mine. Now, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, click on the Performance tab. Here, you'll find the uptime info. Look at that. Our shared RDP server has been running smoothly for over 23 days straight, without any reboots. This shows our server is rock solid and holding up really well. Before we wrap up, please remember that RDP servers do require occasional reboots. These reboots can happen for various reasons, such as resource cleanup, fault recovery, or update installations. Because of this, it's normal to see the uptime reset occasionally. So, make sure to observe your server's uptime over at least a week before jumping to any conclusions about its stability. And that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.